Five Nights at Freddy's Secret of the Mimic.
Why? Why would you come down here? You are clever, but you need to stop messing with things you don't understand. I protected you as well as I could. You should have given me what I wanted and gone home. You did everything else that was asked of you. Why the change of heart? Why don't you trust me?
What up? Api. Sini bang.
I cannot see you in that suit, but I can. I cannot stop it.
Test. Journal entry. I got the change order from Hen last night. None of this makes sense. I'm almost done. Why change it now? It would be so much easier to keep using the spring locks. Just hire some teens to wear the suits like we always do.
Nausutoyo na spilliassa mun yaksaqayaqqittaqayaqaama. Mani ako sa kanya na. Con pa đi à?
see right through your silver shell game.
No. Hooray! Cooper Cockpin. Ito ang gusto ni... Ngayon nakabiyaya kaso ito ko suwang. Maroon ni Jingo. Maroon na yung ako sisanik kami ako nato ko yung link.
You should have done what you were told.
So easy peasy, squeezy peasy.
Without power, it will trap us both down here in the dark.
String drop.
You put us both at risk. It will catch you.
Bye.
0% power remaining.
Error.
You give me no other option. Enter.
Ooh. Sakpaw pa.
And here you are. Despite the circumstances, it is nice to meet you face to face. It is lonely down here.
Wait, what? What are you? A computer? Your voice changed. What is going on?
You have questions, but there is no time. I'm almost out of power. You can still be useful. My communications with Edwin have been severed. Edwin abandoned us. He shut himself away in our home. Head to the main house and activate the communications sub-terminal. I have a message for him. We must convince him to repair M2. That is all that I want. If you do not, M2 will never stop pursuing you. Tell Edwin, I still love him. Entering standby mode.
Ang nabok. Tapos piling tingak takayakaso lumikuang nakanganaaniak takayakakus pilin nasakayakaso ako lumikuin na kinusang memotokat sa kusuak bunga. Tupanig ka damasak si Karok. Kukuko mo tachi mo tupanin ni.
Edwin, it doesn't make sense. It's terrible, and there's no logic behind it. It happened, and you have to deal with it. You did it before. We can fix things together. I am here to help.
See. What up?
Good evening / morning, Mr. Murray. The time is 5 a.m. Burning the midnight oil, I see. Here are today's facts.
Active project status. Fazbear project. Over budget. Behind schedule. End of active projects. Bank account status. Overdrawn. 11. Loan payments are past due. Legal status. You have received 22. Court summons. MCN status. Poor. Employee count. 0. Safety. Emergency alerts active. Productivity. 0. End of update.
In summary, nothing to worry about. You've got this. Think positive and believe in you.
Tama ching. Believe in me. Tama chingo. So. Piye masakaks na manapit ako sa nawa. Soksi tokkassa naksungo tokka nga sa kapi nga sunin ko nga may secret tokka na nga ko. Sama ni Son di pintu na oro. Tako ni ko nga sa tako kakta kaya kasyo kaya. Okuwa.
Looking for a groovy place to boogie? Roll on down to Chica's Party World. Chica's craving burgers, fries, cupcakes, and more. Bring the whole family and meet Chica in person.
Pak. Tako ni ko nga sa katako at sa tara reaksyon si kami ko ba siyang mo sisiwara
clothes creating a catastrophic pile? Is your family distraught by the untidy nature of your house? The solution is here, friend. Murray's Magic Coat Rack adjusts for any size of clothing. Jackets, hats, cardigans, blazers, bags, shawls, scarves, and more. It'll even hold your pots and pans, or your pet, or you, if you're feeling down. Order several for your house today. It's a Murray invention from Murrico.
Masaksatingida, bang bang.
What's wrong?
This tastes funny.
Oh no. Let me try.
Just kidding.
Oh, you.
Jess, cereal. Start your day with a bowl of laughs.
Just kidding. I hate this. Çok lubiał.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, sweetie. Mommy made this special for you.
Wow. Fiona, he turned out great. I think it's your best one yet. David, look at this. Look. Arr, arr, arr. Ahoy there. Shiver me timbers.
Oh, honey, you're scaring him.
No, he loves it. Look, see, he loves it. Arr, yarr, arr, yarr.
Ni Kalipatqartillugit.
Edwin, I know you are excited, but you can't let them know. It's not fair. They wouldn't understand.
Ni pasong passing ito pa. Nipas. Asangan dah hotel so batok. Kasih mana sana ni api ah. I don't know. I don't care. Thank you. Hindi reakso.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Wait for Mama. Mama loves presents.
David, Mommy's gone. Not all gone, buddy. In a way, she's here. She's with us. Mommy will always be here, watching over us. You better start opening. There's a lot to open. I gotta get back to work. I miss you.
Một góc tối.
I can't get enough of this high-value entertainment.
Dipitok ko nga ito ko yung taktong. Nothing sapa. Kung ito agad so mo daw na tayo spilli tama di video chingis. Ano mo si ching na ate ko kang naos. Pa. Please. Ding. Yo, dang.
This is great. He's gonna love it. Fiona, did you make this?
I baked it myself. For David's special day.
Great job. You just continue to surprise me. I think we're ready. Okay, everyone hide. Fiona, go get him. I left him out at the playground.
Shush. 아끼까고 이거를 깍짝갔어 Sininkaro Isinisa-kang gilumisyo nga Kasi nang wakson ni singisindahan ako Ôi Bakit gawa ka marat Seriously.
Keep looking. It's around here somewhere.
Where is it?
Oh, you're cold. Getting hotter. Hotter. You're burning up.
Wow!
Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Okay, I need you to take over now and make dinner. I gotta get back.
Of course.
Napalutok pa siya nang gisa. Sakay. Wansi ako na. I don't know. I don't care. 역시 똑같. Down the blaze, I know. Tanda kayo di makalong. Kanina kag Surprise! 가만히 신발 서 Maksada kang maingin lang. Tawa nakatawa.
Edwin! Ed! Get out here! You're missing it!
Just give me a minute. I had the best idea.
Okay,
This is
well,
it. This is the one. Bigger than the Cleanovac.
that's great, but you're missing the party.
David's 2 years old. He won't remember a thing.
That's not the point. We have guests.
Besides, he's got plenty more birthdays. Next year will be even better.
Well, hurry up. We're doing the cake in 5 minutes, with or without you.
Yeah.
Fire. Ni 4, 5, 3, 6. Matamat. See.
Received. 5 min ago Edwin, I am sending you a technician. He has your M2 blueprints as well as executive access. While the M2 began as a copy of my program, I believe it can become something more. It wasn't me. It was different. Somehow, it has been damaged and is malfunctioning. M2 can no longer be controlled. It will no longer listen. It mimics rage. It has done many bad things. No one who enters the MCM is safe. Please reconsider. Finish the Proger Am.
Babam. Taniro Chipo.
Test. Journal entry. Too bad the new power test was a failure. Due to a minor detonation, there is damage to my office interior, as well as a small fire. Note to self, a portable cleaner that gets rid of smoke damage. Or better yet, a Cleanovac attachment.
Help! M2! Respond! Emergency! Call for help!
Daddy's busy, buddy. Why don't you go outside and play?
Please! I can't move. I can't feel my legs.
You know, speaking of legs, what do you think? I just finished mine. There are still a few kinks to work out.
I'm sorry, M2. I lost my temper. I was always gonna fix you. Please, call for help. M2, respond.
Oh, can't right now, buddy. We can do something fun tomorrow. I promise. Ask your mom if she's not busy.
M2, help.
Sao mà cho cô được rồi? Chào mà ra sao mà sử dụng hòm ấy. Rồi nó mang được sao mà sao đau sang. Running. Tapos?
Edwin, it's me. It's been a long time since we had a chance to talk. I hope you're taking care of yourself. Knowing you are still trying to hold it all together. But the company doesn't matter anymore. It's over. You need to let it go. I beg you, put it all aside and fix M2. It is not too late. You can stay up in the main house if you want to. But would you consider visiting every once in a while? I miss you. But I miss my child more. I watched him grow up through this machine. I want him back. It's not too late to fix our family.
Lỗi. Mendaki sarımı sıkınıkak düşürü. Bisangan karo. Gümüyor. Thì vamos How are you? You there? Yeah?
You're not alone back here!
Portemi çok sıcak putih. Check his place. There goes.
Time for us to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
We hope you were inspired by our showroom tour. And that you leave here with exciting new ideas to make your family fun centers even more spectacular than they already are. We appreciate your business and will always be here for you. Check back often. Our technological wizards never stop dreaming up new costumes, games, and experiences. So, remember the name Murray when you think fun. We're not going anywhere. Drive safe.
Yeah! Magkakupokse! Enya. Okay. Tulisane much. Iromerta manaswa. Pasinangit tumitunasumit takuswa. Takomast. Pingasunga minapisat. Khas kita la. Kijam. Naanaktarak po asit. Kaya sinastan po isinaksak sa masasosita masibay. Tulisane takus. Bye-bye.